Hello?
Animal control. Hello.
I have a problem. It has to do with the rats in my basement.
Okay.
Something's been killing them!
I can't hear you.
Oh, my poor little rats. Something's been killing them!
The raccoons
Hello?
are doing what?
A mountain lion? In my basement? There's one in my basement right now!
Oh my goodness. Where are you located?
Anvil,
Okay, what's your name?
aren't you going to take care of this?
I can. We have a $100 call-out fee. It's $3.50 a minute while we're removing the animal.
That's just stupid.
Okay.
Animal Services, this is Jessica. How can I help you?
Hello?
Hi, how can I help you?
A mountain lion? In my basement?
I'm sorry, I can't understand you.
There's one in my basement right now! Go get it!
There's a what in your basement, ma'am?
A mountain lion?
There's a mountain lion in your basement?
Yes. This is
Okay.
ridiculous. Someone's out to get me, to get my poor babies. I'll bet it's that quill weave next door.
Can I please get your address?
Find Pinnerus Inventius. He's a hunter and knows this area inside and out. He'll know what to do.
I need to get your address, please, or else I need to disconnect the call.
I'm sorry, but I don't feel comfortable telling you.
Animal Services, this is Jessica.
Aren't you going to take care of this? What am I paying you for?
Hello, I'm sorry. I need more information from you. I need your address.
I don't know. I just don't.
I'm not understanding
Hello?
this call. You have an animal in your basement, but you don't know your address?
By the nine divines! Help! Help! I'm being attacked! No!
I have it on speaker. Are you still there?
Find Pinnerus Inventius. He's a hunter and knows this area inside and out. He'll know what to do.
Okay, well, I can't help you any further unless I have your address.
No!
But I don't know
Find
how to help
Pinnerus
you. I'm sorry.
My rats are all dead. It's too late to do any more.